Only pray for the same. When you blame me, I feel only blame me. I feel only blame me. I feel no one to me. What do? What better? What better? Also better. Oh, by how bad then? Oh, question. Oh, better. What day? Listen, say I just think a day to go and then can do so. Maybe what? Say a day, sir, and then can do. Again, no. Now again, what's in the car? Bob with them, remember me down. Bob with them, make it a Uber too. And down meeting because Nipper, I've been preparing the children. What's uncle? Over the young cockroach. Who not? We fear them. Maybe fear them. And then the ban or Jimmy room. What did he say? What did me 2,000 and you rather say? Maybe say, would you now? What how many years? From balance, man, what do you balance? What how many years? 8 months spend a month now. Over 3 new year. Send me calculation. Over 3 new year. And do it. And look at the wicked agro. And do share. And look at the so you obey you near my Bay you near my because I feel also in my downfall. Now they are my downfall. Oh, yeah, my broad. Oh, yeah, my downfall. Oh, yeah, my broad. Oh, yeah, the assistant put a Cked. What they do so. Who saw the meaning them one? I don't know. So you swear. Presa you pregay, what's up? Pregay you won't get some bell. Oh, but I was so easy. So many. I mean, you do that. Was so easy. And they're bombing. Again, I mean, I did. So, well, to be better for more. So, would you know? What is it? Now, and don't position on a path. The way you never feel any. And don't position on a panel this canaba. Obanas Becca's, okay, 18 million. Share 1,008. Oh, board up over how will tell 2 million. And then, over, yeah. Now, I got it, isn't it? Huh? What is it? Funny name. Me tell film, member 5 million. Obanas 5 million. My letter come in and don't marry me them. Oh, balance, aka 5 million. Oh, call. First of all, period. What the band now, Mako? Share. I'm going to use it. You know, I do loud, you know, I said, give us. Ma. I'm afraid to say here. Now, to pardon, I'll share. Nah, I see me true, my dream. I'm pursuing myself. But you are something. Only I know what about you. I have what's in it. Because the queen of the Mikas in the day. Ya catch them say Mikazi or Buchidi, but me and Castle before many. And I'm maintaining council. We need him, David. No one says so, cousin Bias or Buchi. And I make a me of I catch them. Say Mikazi do a Buchi. But I said, I can be a committee in I communicating in a casa, mean to me, and in casa. Wow, interesting. Okay, hello, Grand Trinidad. Debbie, you can hello, Grand Trinidad. Not to talk of hearing his voice. What's it? So, not to talk of hearing his voice. That means one thing in the Sukrada. Naming to maintain in that. Meaning to it into an answer a blue, and I say, but. No, find the baby of my man, so to say, make a do also. That's okay, Bibia. Oh, Debbie. Maybe some was a secretary. I will see Canada, that means the number cross me. Debbie. You need to be your Patrick, or I will need to be here. Sound, you need to be here. Fiancé is watching. Okay. It's my fiancé. Hey, Mr. Say, how am I? I had my family. I want to mention a number 1 generation. You serious? Okay, and come over here now. Would you declare? I'm not met me. I've any more for I didn't come on. My general number. I'm not friend. Oh, David, and the son is sir. Come on, you did money and way. Right, Mr. And can you be unsure? Send me here number. Me, I can't share. Once they offer me, no one won't say anything. Don't ask him anything. Bye. Thank I said, when I was in Canada, I come quite a minimum. Today, but I say, I'm going and we'll be able to say, anyway, you go to see. I mean, you see it. No, over me, the paper family. What's yeah, I'm going to catch. That's really what's you in power. Yeah, I was sitting with as a woman.
I know. So feel at home. Why?
But yeah,
feel free. Always be happy.
You was new.
So
I am you was any bar. As you nearly
and you say, no member anymore.
Anymore.
Why? It's true.
If you had him free.
Into the original.
You. If you had him free. They're quite very.
Wow, you hardly visit. You were, of course you were, but then so just pardon me, okay?
Anyways, you remember we had a discussion about me getting married and all that.
What's new?
Auntie likes marriage. Auntie likes marriage issues. There are these two guys who want to marry me.
Eh? Two. Tell me about them.
Actually, they are not really well to do. They have nothing. They're just normal people, regular people. So I wanted to discuss with you first, and then you give me aunties.
All to our purpose.
One said he actually has the ideas of making mashkinki in large scale. He wants to brand it.
Mashkin dokuna. So how do you intend to help you?
That's why I wanted to talk to you first.
Okay. It's a good thing that at least men have showed interest. But if you ask me, in the case of marriage, it is not something that you would compare to an ordinary relationship. As for marriage, it's a lifelong journey. So you cannot just settle for anything. But if I should be honest with you, money matters. However, in marriage, money is not everything. What you should be so considerate about is the fact that the person is God-fearing. If I say God-fearing, he may not have it all. But by the grace of God, with hard work, commitment, and then dedication, the day is coming that you may not see him as you see him today. So if you can consider one of them and give him the chance, already you have everything, you have it all. So if I see the person, we get talking and I get to know that genuinely he is in for marriage, and then it's not to come after what you have. Some of them, they could come and then with genuine intentions, but however along the line you would get to know their opportunists. So if in his case he is different and then he has clear intentions without any ulterior motive, we could give him the chance after all. And I'm that's true.
Okay, aunties, we're going to do it this way. When are you going to be free again? Then I'll let you meet both of them.
I will be free as and when you want me to. You know me, when it comes to marriage, I'll be free. So even if it's today you want to invite them over, I can wait.
Okay, then I'll tell them today, then you meet them tomorrow.
All the two?
Yeah, all the two. Don't you think that's better? Then you can have that motherly talk with them. You can read their minds, know who is serious, who is into play.
But come to think of it, your own self, have you not been able to choose one that is ideal? One that, you need to compare and contrast.
And so they are both the same. So I was thinking of talking to the caretaker and then the cook, yeah. since they mostly come to them. So I think both of them will know them better. But I want you to talk to them, meet them, talk to them, read their minds. You've got more experience than we do. So tomorrow is fine?
Oh, it's okay by me. I need to see them.
Definitely, you have to see them. So
The one that is disciplined and focused ones.
yeah.
Doesn't.
And you can actually tell from seeing them.
Yeah.
Because from the way they communicate and all.
Are they friends?
I think he said they are related or so. I don't know.
They are related.
It's funny how both of them want to marry me.
Where both means out of the two you are choosing one or both are what?
Both of them wants to marry me.
From same family.
It's surprising. They actually stay in the same house. Next 3 houses before my estate down here.
To me they are neighbors.
They stay in the same house, same room. Not neighbors, stay in the
Anyway,
same
let
house.
me see them first. It could be that they have asked about you. They could be opportunists.
You get it?
How can you be in the same house and run after one? Let me see them first. Invite them over.
Okay, I'll call. Let me call them now and tell them.
Madam. Big madam. Big madam. Madam. Kelvina. Madam. I hope you know actually. My friends are with you. Sorry about that. Maybe I will call. But so maybe I will call. Yeah, be okay. Be okay, yeah. Maybe it's maybe it's not my friend. I won't feel me. I'm a sad prayer of your machine. Be okay. Don't worry about me. Yeah, and then more day. I'm cook or so I am to look at inquiry. Sir, and your punch. To the house in your eye. And I'm not sure if I send the row of Mac and Pussy when it's a crown left friend. Whatever they be here. My man could see David be uncle. David may more be one pound year shoes, bed, crying. Don't worry. Yes, I may. Fine. The madam, but I made my name so. The boss and change me being patrol. And Tina, Kelvina. Yes, madam. And I say, don't worry about it. Why? Okay. To be to my way with you. Take patrolling call home. Quiet, you can't cook number of drink and I say, okay, besides, so good or no, umbre so good, and I so good name, Debbie, drink so good, and can't say anything. But you can't say anything so good. I want to buy the so good and some cash on nothing like looking. What's up, okay? I thought I said drink so good wrong. Who did you all be away?
But one year the problem beba.
For one come good.
Bonnie when it's the first time I mean when I'm some money with
What do you mean you? Ganana.
Of a yes though. Or did you told you want to mean say, you told you want to mean your friend you to come on please.
You make can say of a girl.
My boo you told you want to mean your say, you told you want to mean your face.
Again,
or tin and in a jet to Pamano, Imam. Yeah, my catch said ye. Want to mean you want to mean your now one upon me. Every again. I make a again. Yeah, Sassian soon from you.
Young Papa and then. And you so when Vaneser Hokwa, me, so when guys argue on Hokwa, me, so what's in the make a tone? Over any TNN or by minimum so I can't want to I say, what's in me, dear Faust, until they found a drew. Me buy minimum so and to say, and to say, or buy a minimum so a woman news from woman you buy, you'll do a hand me. Or you may lie. Me no vibes. And the most only precise or yet say mediator be yo Jiggy meet me and you one time. What's in a minute? You come as I'm not.
Me catch it. I mean, Debbie, me tears in over to me. And you couldn't make me in a film nigger in term. I know me chest a call. You come me background. Okay. Background, yeah. Me catch no so wouldn't no one him. No one show one free girl no one. Upe uwa.
Me pay me uwa. Me pay me uwa. Bisa wo faso no. Se wa hu ma wo for da. Woni me ma me papa.
Sure.
Me ya wo me. Obi ni me bia me free.
No. Ya won everything.
And I chese me hu free for.
Dia wa won no. Ko ne ko bisa ma free.
Ni wa won me no me ko bi na wa won we.
Enti na ba wi ase.
Ene ho se chese me. E mama for me ndi akwa.
Me catch no. Wo dwani. Wo bia wo wuti wo bi nten. Wo na na wo trati nipa house owner. Na wo
the house owner.
Yeah.
House owner.
Did you niema ya for 2 days.
Martin, me so me di.
Too prefer.
Now over wave you dinana. Me sense kan. Wo de meka. Wo fa ase no so de meka. Yo, me free ha no ma me nya me sika wo. Ansa na for so do de na ba.
What can I say? Sika I can't do it.
Obama me 1008.
I'll bow with them.
Me ma bo me da. Wo do ma say.
Meba ana me so me ma say.
Na 200 na watia.
Sa eti sika na ma untu.
Da.
Eja ono be.
Me do na me say me.
Bra didi.
Didi.
Didi. Bra.
Na wo ade wo ti cry to wo fetire ti unyo fele.
E wo say wo fatie ma ne to say. Ada wo nka nche wo fa say me hu girl ni da.
Wo hu ni da.
Girl ni pemi nchen wa na.
Hwe no atre.
Girl no wo opege. Girl ni pe wo ten me.
Chohu free girl.
Me ma.
Say girl no pel. Say one pel. Na wo fie wura. Pe oba no. Bra me come tell me wo that say wo ti agura won.
Wo fa tere we wa bo me tere tache. We bisa
ma ka kira wo.
Kasa hunu
be yi uniama ne ko.
Me ni no
me ba mo ntwan me ba.
Ye be twen wo. Girl no feel me ten won kan cho ofa. Wo fa nyina na wo ma baka ba den.
Wo
so ko
wo kakra bi so boto mo wo adru kakra
be bi nya kakra bi. Otu no. Otu
Didi. Didi why?
What for now? Who name you?
Transfer for here. I'm going.
Tomorrow we.
Papa. Sisi didi.
Abi. It's a meeting.
I have some now. Yes, and Yanka. Mempe Basa Basebia. You don't know
Only. Share now.
Is that why? And why?
How many times my first will be
with me? This you
share.
One much here.
Why isn't he the boy being now when you be on my yao? Come up, take a cable and I overcall. What's it? Overcall.
Blah. Huh? Me see, the you near man. If you are not too much again,
what fun? You only me lie.
Who to free how you are? Young coon to out.
Movement me.
Who to free how you are?
And I will
say yes.
Yes.
Ye ni hwe aye ka kiro. Ye ni hwe aye ka kiro. The so so ni abetwi opi ha. Na nye nkwasi asem ana. Wadanfo akoba ho. Na wo ko ho.
Na we be say adamfo no nye won ne di kan ko ana so oba no listen
wona di kan ko
good offer no en fa
wona wo di kan ko
na oba ne check ni sese ye mi
wona wo di kan ko didi
didi because again we need 2 days wana bo yaba hai wonu ko kushia ge bi na ge no kushia no ibe te ni si pen pa na wo shia na he so obo anim he ye na e fa Vaneser no he wo obi a me ko kushia ne na ko atu nse didi woni fie ne mpa so Oma
bra. Na ne say unra dem obi.
Me bibie ni ho.
Unra dem obi.
Me ye.
Onso da jaye.
Bra, o de bra en ko dem me che.
Me ye fucking no.
Where pocket?
Fucking.